Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is watching a movie, and I got something in today, and I know I needed it. I just didn't get it for a while, and I was trying to get some cheap ones, but they don't work too good. So I got me I think it's DJI Mic Mini. I think that's pronounced DJ, but I'm not 100% sure. Wireless microphone. So I needed it. I got it. And hopefully the quality of this video is going to be better once I set this up. I'll put all the information on the screen right here so you guys will know exactly what I got. And if you like it and you want to order it, I'll probably have an affiliated link from Amazon and down below. This came in this nice little condensed box. Nothing fancy. Directional book, some stickers. Alright, what's this? Alright, came in this came with a nice little pouch. These are the wind noise reduction fuzzy thingy. I don't know what they're called. And then it comes with one wire. I think you can connect this to your your camera. And it came with this. This is the main component here. Alright. Press to unlock. Press to unlock. It has some rubber feet on it. Press to unlock. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Looks like it's semi-charged. So I got two mics. I believe this is like the receiver. You connect that to your camera if you have one of those high-speed cameras. This is what I need. It connects to my phone, which is nice and small. And then I got the mics. And it has... Well, these pieces are too small. I don't know. It seems like you're going to lose them. But it's pretty powerful. So you would have to really knock it off. So, alright, let's check out the directions real quick. I can tell by the packaging it's a good company. And all of my content creator friends use this pretty much. I didn't get the real expensive one, but I didn't get the real cheap one either. I got in the middle. I guess you can decorate. These are like skins, I guess. Quick start guide, nice. What is this? I just want to clip it to my hat or something. Nothing too. My bill is too thick. And I don't want to, you don't want to lose these things. You know what? I'm not even going to attach it to myself. I'm going to connect this right now to see if I get better quality. Wish me luck. Alright, testing 1, 2, 3. Let me put that up there where I'm probably going to put it when I'm recording. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is out and about. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see how that sounds. Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's out and about. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now my mic's all the way in the back of the desk. I already tested it out. It's working, but I think it was too loud. So let me just see how it sounds right now. All right, out here. All right, tested it out and it sounds pretty good. So hopefully my audio quality is a little bit better than normal, than what my normal is. So it did come out with a nice case with the DJ logo on it, if that's how you pronounce it. And I got one with two mics. The only thing I don't like is when it comes with little pieces like this. I don't like that because you're gonna lose that piece. I got I got 2 of these. So I got my cable, and that's about it. So you're gonna have to give me a few days to test this out, just to see if I'm coming out clearer and it's not, you know, I do talk like I have a sock in my mouth as it is. Oh, you know what? The millisecond podcast should be on. He said it was coming out today, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and review the tape, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my assessment of the, whatever it's called. What model did I get? The DJI Mic Mini. Doesn't have a number or nothing. This says Mic Mini. Alright. I did record and I listened to it, and my assessment is I really don't have one right now. Because every time I listen to it on my phone, my PC, or my TV downstairs, I get a different sound. So I don't know if it's me or what have you. So I'm going to sit down and assess this and get back to you guys within a week or two and give you a better assessment of the DJI Mic Mini. If that's how you pronounce it, DJI Mic Mini. But right now, you can't listen to me right now, so you can make an assessment. Because the beginning of this video, I didn't have the mic on. I had my regular mic, and I have a good camera. And the mic's really pretty decent, but I didn't think it was the best quality for content creators. So you tell me if it's better, okay? And I'll wait a week or two, do a few more videos, and see if I like it. See, the only thing I like about this is too many small pieces. The piece that goes to the phone is kind of big, and when I do content creating, I walk. I do a lot of walking. I hike, I do RV shows, and we're out and about. And I don't want something too big hanging off my phone. But this part right here might bring better quality, and it probably does. So I'm going to have to read the directions and go through it and all that good stuff. So that's all I have. I just wanted to show you my new toy. And hopefully when I bring you these videos, it sounds better. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Tap, tap, yeah, it hears me breathe. Every laugh, every word I believe. With confidence, how it sounds somehow. It sounds just like this right now.